What is up, guys? Fire starter. And I'm gonna be fixing my switch on my car. Yeah.
Let me see.
Stop! You're wasting the. Okay, we'll be right back after I put this on. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna get this out of here. First, I need to remove some stuff.
Whenever your window gets fixed in the back, me and you can go cruising on the highway with on our own cars and race.
You know who's winning?
You. Wait, let me see. Make sure, is it faced the right way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see.
No light?
No. That helps, I guess. Is it getting?
That's why I put it on.
See if it's getting the. I'm just gonna.
Where's the one where you can?
I'll do this. I think it's on the seat in the inside.
You got some tint.
Mm-hmm.
I do not have any tint whatsoever. When we wake up, when we wake up. We're not calling ourselves in the desert. This?
Yeah. Is it dead?
I'm guessing. I'm talking about the one Dad had that he likes.
The big one?
Like the one where you can adjust it.
Yeah, look, this one clips on. It's fine.
Let me see if I can't tell.
It's recording. It's fine.
Yep. Everybody heard you say something.
Sweet. We got that off, so no more powers go into the car. Now I can do this freely. Watch out. What are you doing? Is that why it smelled weird in there? What are you doing?
Getting all the crumbs.
Oh, thanks. Should do it on the floor over there on that.
Oh, I can't do that. No, unless you want it all over.
Alright, I need a light. Okay, so now I don't have to be scared about this. Bam. How do I get this off? Yeah, it's trashed. So with that, if you guys can't see, I'm just unscrewing it.
Let me see you. Take it down another level. Take a shot at me. But I want you. Bring your love, baby, I can be my shame.
Was it like this? Was the light up here? Or was it down?
On was up, down was off.
What?
Mama.
What the heck? There we go. What? Can you leave me alone? Okay. I realized my mistake. Do not know what the problem is. It's not
I'm
sparking.
looking where to get my. You were right. That place isn't in Houston. I thought it was. And now I'm looking. I think I found a place.
There's no sparks, no nothing, no power going to it.
Okay, I need to clean now. Let me know when you're done.
Okay, so there's definitely power. So then, no sparks. Maybe I just need to change. Their sides. Oh no. So there's power. Just not freaking working. Dude. Please work. Please work. Please work. Please work. Nothing. You serious? Do it ghetto style. We figured out what was wrong with it. What's wrong with it? Fuse popped. This fuse right here popped. See?
So what does that mean?
Middle. Whenever your knee hit it, probably, or something. I don't know. I think it just. I don't know.
Are they open today?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. Let's go. We do a pool. You can do a pool.
What do you mean?
You know what I mean? No, like launch control, like. A pool means a run,
I don't know what that means.
like racing.
You're 18 now. You can race that. You got your license.
I can race it.
Yep.
Nice. But like when we get to the, you know, the long stretch.
See. This looks nice.
From a standstill.
I know that was bad, but I'm kind of scared because of that car. Now I can do it.
Okay, start from 0.
Ready?
And then you gotta ease on it, and no, like 0, and then get it to number 2. Okay. That sounds nice. What do you think about that?
It's slow.
It's but it does sound nice though.
It's slow.
It's slow, but it sounds nice. That's what I was talking about. Start from like you load it, the engine RPM up to the 3 or 4.
I get 29 miles per gallon.
Dang. And then you go for it. Jesus.
I put one in your car. You said you liked it.
Okay, drift. You got scared?
Yes.
He got scared. 45.
I don't think they're open.
I think they are. Oh, maybe not.
Maybe they are.
Oh yeah, look, the lights are on and everything. Oh, Randy's. This video is sponsored by. I'm just kidding. You got 60 minutes. Yeah, they're open. I'm looking for a fuse like this one.
Or I don't know what.
Alright, I don't think we can record in here, so I'm gonna just turn this off. Alright, so we just left O'Reilly's. We got replacements, I hope. They look different, but they're beefier, so. Yeah, good, yeah. Yeah. Call of Duty be like. Whoa! Hurry up, man.
Sorry. Put your seatbelt on.
Bless me. Go get gas. Don't waste your gas. Even though it's
so
full.
It's so slow.
It's so slow.
Guys, I missed the Tesla. I missed the Tesla.
Good thing we're gonna put a freaking turbo in here. Make it mine a single turbo. Is this one single or twin? What? Lilia, you want this to be a single or twin? Huh? Twin turbo or single turbo? I don't know. I'm gonna make mine a single because I like that.
I'm just working on getting it. What's it called? I'm just working on getting my interior done.
Oh, okay.
First, and then I'm gonna.
So lightweight. Carbon fiber. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I'm home. Okay, we're home. Let's do this crap.
I don't know if we're going back. I gotta start cleaning now. I've been saying that and then I just go and sit down after. Here.
We were here. Crap. Yeah! 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 You stupid! Let's go! It worked! Come on. Look at it. Beautiful. I'm a mechanic. Dude, that was awesome. Honestly, this is a full-blown video.
Hey!
Yes, sir.
Hey!
Thanks for my dad's help, honestly. It might be a blown fuse. I never thought of that. I got 11 minutes left up for this card. We should order GoPro cards online.
Huh?
The SD cards and stuff.
Well, after you save it to your
Phone?
phone, just delete it after.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Okay, well,
We're probably gonna go cruise here soon.
we're gonna go cruising soon. I'll take video. I might wear a helmet. I'm not gonna wear a helmet.
It went off for a second.
Let's go. Oh yeah, there's the damage on my
Still don't know what this was by.
probably too hot, or it was a tree or something, because it's just the outside. So I'm thinking a toe hook flew, and like the strap hit that hard, and then it just two hooks
Yeah, 'cause
dragged.
look, there's a.
Yeah, and then it hit somewhere. So I'm pretty sure the tow truck did it, and David something, I don't know. Well, see you guys when I go cruising. Alright, so we did not go cruising. That day was a couple weeks ago. We did, but I couldn't record it because there's no audio, so that got rid. Plus, the back window was like cracked a little bit, so we were going like 80 or something, and the window just went, it just came out. Now, tomorrow I'm supposed to have it replaced. I'll make a video on that, definitely. But I have work tomorrow, so it's gonna be a little hard. I'll come home, take a picture probably. Well, thanks for watching anyways.